Pride of China, the FAW Hongqi H9, a luxury statement, ride and roar. Welcome back to Ride and Roar, your one-stop channel for the wonders of the automotive world. Today, we're unveiling a masterpiece of luxury from the East. Allow us to introduce the FAW Hongqi H9. Feast your eyes on the FAW Hongqi H9, a luxury sedan that signifies China's endeavor to rival the European luxury auto market. FAW's luxury sub-brand Hongqi, which means red flag, has been associated with grandeur since its inception. With the H9, they've truly raised the bar. The Hongqi H9 exudes elegance, from its sweeping lines and state-of-the-art LED headlights to its distinctive red flag grille. It's clear that this car is designed to turn heads. Step inside and you're greeted with a luxurious cabin. Premium leather upholstery, high-tech dashboard, and meticulous craftsmanship make every journey in the H9 a joy. Under the hood, the H9 doesn't disappoint. Its powerful engine delivers the smooth, refined performance you'd expect from a luxury sedan. On the road, the H9 truly shines. Its ride is as smooth as silk, and the advanced suspension system ensures ultimate comfort no matter the journey. And let's not forget the advanced features that come with the H9. With parking assist, adaptive cruise control, and more, it provides a driving experience that's as relaxing as it is exhilarating. So there it is, the FAW Hongqi H9, a beacon of luxury and sophistication that perfectly embodies the red flag legacy. That's all for today's journey with Ride and Roar. If you savored our voyage into the lap of luxury with the Hongqi H9, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to our channel. Until our next adventure, enjoy the ride and feel the roar.